Welcome to Bright Path. I'll be solving this simple physics question, and the question says in the ground state of an hydrogen atom, an electron orbits a proton at a distance of 0.529 exponential minus 10 meters. What is the electron speed? Now, for us to solve this, we need to relate two equations together. Now, the first equation that we're supposed to relate is the centripetal force. Now, we're going to talk about a rotating body, right? You mentioned centripetal force. Now, for us to solve that, centripetal force simply says that what F is equals to NV squared all over R. Now, this centripetal force, let's call this equation 1. Then we're going to relate it to Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law simply states that what says F is equals to K, which is a constant, Q1, Q2, Q2 divided by R squared. So if you relate the two equations together, these two equations together, we're going to have that what? If you're equating the two equations, we're going to have that what? This is equation 2. Remember that we are equating equation 1 and equation 2 together. So you're going to have V squared divided by R is equals to K Q1 Q2 divided by R squared. So we are trying to remember we're looking for the speed. So we need to make V subject of the formula. So we have to make V subject of the formula. How do we do that? By simply crossing over R. So we're going to have this. This would divide this. We have 1. So we're going to have this will go here. This will go here 1. So you're going to have that V squared will be equals to what? K Q1 Q2 divided by what? M. This will come down MR. Okay, now we have established this relationship. We can also say that V itself is equals to the square root of all of them. The square roots of all of them. So you're going to have K Q1 Q2 divided by RM, right? So now I'm going to divide the screen into two. So I'm going to divide this here. Okay, now they've established that it's time for us to input our parameters. Remember that R, the distance, is given by what? R is the distance, 0.529 times 10 exponential minus 11 minus 10 meters. Okay, so our K is also a constant. K is also a constant. K is also a constant. K is what? K is 9.0 times 10 raised to the power of 9, right? Our mass of electron or charge of an electron, let's go with charge of electron first. Charge of electron is given by what? Q is given by 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 19. Are you together? And the last one is the mass of electron. We call it M. The mass of electron is given by what? 9.11 times 10, or you can call it 9 times 10 to the power minus 31. That's the mass of electron. Okay, so if you should impute all this together into this formula, so you're going to say that V itself will be square roots. I'm going to draw a very long square root this way. I'm going to impute all my parameters now. So my K is what is my K? My K is what? 9.0 times 10 raised to the power of raised to the power 9, not minus 9, times Q. Now, since the Q are the same, so I'm going to just square the both of them. So I will say open bracket, right? 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 all squared. Minus 19 all squared divided by the mass of the electron, which is what? 9.11 times 10 raised to the power minus 31 times the radius. The radius is what? 0.529 times 10 raised to the power what? 10. Okay, so if you should do this properly, right, your final answer should be what? Should be 6.91 times 10 raised to the power of 6 meters per second. Thank you very much.